Hi, I'm Sherry, and welcome to The Eyes Have It. Today, I'm doing a, stop it, sort of get ready with me, but mainly it is a first look at a QVC TSV, today's special value if you're not a QVC person. That was in the BECCA brand, and I had never seen one on QVC before like that. I've gotten It Cosmetics many times, and Laura Geller, but I'd never seen one of these. So I thought, okay, let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some pictures, at least I'm going to try to insert some pictures. You know, I edit on my tablet now, so my options are not as good. No, it's nothing for you, baby. It's not for you. Okay, you can come in here if you want. Okay. So, what I did was, instead of taking video of me getting ready, putting this stuff on and have this video be really, really long, what I did was, after each product, I took a picture, a still picture of myself with the product in my hand, so that you can see what it looks like after I apply it. So let me go through them with you. Okay, the first one I'm going to show you that everything is out of the boxes because I was in there using it, but I will show it to you. But this is the box. This is the BECCA First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. And this is something I had been wanting to use anyway. So that's, you know, try anyway. So that's something that won me over. And so that's what that looks like. Gorgeous purple iridescent tube. And so that is your primer. It was, for me, a little watery compared to other primers I've used, but, you know, not awful. So there it is. Okay, so excuse my fingerprints on there. This is the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. I don't know about ultimate coverage. It is in a pump. It's a nice size bottle, and it's in a pump. I was afraid this color was going to be too dark for me until spring or summer, and it is a little, I guess. But you guys will have to let me know whether you think the shade is way off or just a little off or okay. So here it is. It just looked very dark in the pump. Okay, and this is, by the way, the color Nude. You know, I buy everything online, or almost everything, and so it's so hard with foundation. But then, you know, I don't wear a lot of foundation. So, yeah, that looks so dark on my hand, but I don't think the face is that bad of a contrast. For me, now, I used, as you will see in the pictures, I hope, you will see that I used a beauty blender. I do not normally use a beauty blender, but I just got a set of a mini and a big, and I wanted to try them. So, so the foundation may be a little lighter coverage than with a beauty blender than it would be with a brush, possibly. But anyhow, I did not find it great coverage. I put on one layer, and I still could see a lot of spots here. And then I put on the second layer, and I decided to stop there. Because, you know, I don't like foundation anyway, and I really don't like a heavy mask-like foundation. So, you know, I was not upset by the feel of it or anything. I just think if you're going to call something ultimate coverage, I don't think I would call it that. But if you've tried it, please let me know in the comments if you found otherwise. Like I said, if I had put this on with a brush, I may have had a very different experience. The next product is called the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So it's not specifically a concealer, but it is considered a brightener. It's like, you know, a peach brightener. So this is very pretty, little kind of rose goldish top, and it's very creamy. It's very Not in the way that the NYX concealers are, where they're pretty heavy, creamy. This isn't. So this is basically the color of it. It's not really peach, it's more lavender. It's not going to show up that way on the camera. So I put that under my eyes, and I used no concealer because I just wanted you to see just the effects of these products. I think it did okay, and I put a good 2 coats on there. I think it did okay. I don't know. I think if I was, when I use it again, I will use it first for the darkness, and then I will use a little bit of concealer over it to just finish the job, because I feel like I'm seeing a lot of shadow right here. Didn't bring my beauty blender. It is pretty tacky when you go to spread it on your skin. As slippy as it feels in the tub, it does not feel slippy on the skin, at least if you have very dry skin, which I do. So. And so then the next thing is the thing that BECCA is, based on, basically, is the highlighters. And this is the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pressed Opal. It's the pressed version, and it's the color Opal. Now, I have the liquid in Opal, and I don't think it looks anything like this. This, to me, is gold glitter. I really didn't care for it. It's not my shade. But, I'm going to give it some more tries. I don't know if you can see it. I've got natural light coming in. I put it here, 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 and just a tiny bit right at my Cupid's bow. So here again, you'll have to tell me if you can see it. But to just swatch it on the finger, I don't know. Well, it doesn't as much here, but in the bathroom, it looked totally gold. On screen, it looks a little more white. But, yeah, it's very shimmery. I think I prefer the liquid just because the liquid, you can just do a tiny little bit. And I didn't do much when I put it on my brush. I didn't do much. So let me see just the unadulterated right from the palette. So, yeah, it's pretty powerful stuff. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Alright, and last but not least, and this did not come in a box, it just came by itself, and that is the BECCA Champagne Cocktail Lip Gloss in Sparkling Rosé. I don't wear gloss much, but what I did was I put it on by itself because I get irritated with lip products that look quite colorful in the tube, as this does, and you take it out and you think, oh, wow, that looks pretty colorful, and you put it on and it's nothing. It's this clear. Here again, on some very, very pale people, you might get some color out of this, but my lips are already pretty pigmented, and it came out just completely clear on me. So I would have to wear it over a lip pencil or a lipstick. But it's not a bad feeling gloss. It's heavy when you do that, but it's not sticky. And it does, somehow glosses, or even the liquid lipsticks, they like pull apart when your lips, when you go like this, they kind of make the threads. Ooh, that's disgusting. This doesn't do that. But when you move it around your lips, it does feel pretty heavy. And I haven't worn lip gloss in quite a long time, but I think that's pretty normal for lip gloss. So, that's the kit. And unlike the cosmetics ones and the other ones that comes, this one did not come with like a nice card inside that explains everything. So there is the kit. Oh wow, that nose highlight is really popping now because I'm kind of over here next to the window. So that is the BECCA Today's Special Value kit from QVC. Like I said, I will do my best to insert some pictures of me putting on, after I've put on every one of these products. So you get to see me from barefaced up to the primer, the foundation going on, the peach corrector going on, the highlighter going on. So, you know, hopefully that will work out. Oh, I can't stand that. It's too much. That stuff is pretty high voltage. All right, take care. Be well. And always, tell them, baby. Tell them, just always be yourself, right? Always be yourself. That's just the best way to be. Yeah. Bye. Have a great week.